Hello IPMAT students, hello parents, welcome to the YouTube channel of the IPM Careers. My name is Ashutosh and today we will be talking about the frequent asked questions of the IPM aspirants. I have got with me Mr. Deepak. Deepak, welcome to the show. Deepak, the agenda of the today's video will be the queries of the students which we have received.
Okay.
And these are the very frequently asked questions of the IPMAT aspirants.
Okay.
So let's start. Let's
Sure.
take the first question.
Yes, sir.
So the first question that I have received from many aspirants is, what is a day in the life of an IPM candidate after clearing the IPM examination in IIM Indore? What is the daily life of an IPM student here?
Okay. First of all, I would suggest all IPMAT aspirants to focus on the examination and to give a brief about a daily life in an IIM Indore. That this is, since it's a campus program, so you can be called anytime for the classes, for the workshops. So there is no as such fixed schedule. Okay, so this is the beauty of the residential program, that the professors will have the liberty to call you anytime, and you have to go to attend to classes maybe at night, 11 a.m. 11 p.m., 1 a.m., 2 p.m. Okay, so at any time they can call you. Okay, so life is very chaotic, I would say, in nutshell, at IIM Indore, where you learn, because CEOs are very chaotic in nature. The lifestyle of CEOs are very chaotic, and they want you to become like that. So they will pose you under the tough situations, under a tough schedule. They will ask you to get up at any time. So they will ultimately try to build a personality in you by posing those chaotic environment to you.
Yes. Okay. So according to you, right now the focus of the student should be only on the IPMAT examination.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Understood. Okay, sir. One of our subscriber, his name is Abhishek Chandra Pandey. He wants to know about what is NBFA scheme, sir. NBFA.
Okay, NBFA scheme. NBFA scheme is basically need-based financial assistance. Okay, and this scheme is basically for the student who enrolled in IIM Indore. Okay, once you get a seat in IIM Indore, there is a PGP office in IIM Indore. At every IIM there is a PGP office where you can go and check. And apart from NBFA, you will get so many state government scholarship programs which are there, and you just have to see whether you qualify for how many type of the scholarship programs. So for example, you belong to Maharashtra, so Maharashtra government support the young talent who is from Maharashtra and want to join an IIM, and if you struggle at any point in time, the state government is basically ready to help for you. And so for basically NBFA, after you get a seat into an IIM, you have to go to the PGP office and you have to ask for such type of scholarships. So apart from NBFA, you will be getting many more like that.
Okay. So I think when you said PGP office, you meant to say IPM office.
Yes.
Okay, sir, the next question which I have received is mainly from the 12th appearing students, and they are little worried about their board examination, and they want to know how they can manage between IPMAT as well as the board's examination. How should they manage?
Okay, as rightly you have asked in the question itself that you don't have to you don't have to worry about it. You have to manage the things. Okay, and how you can manage? Basically, you have to focus on board primarily, because board is the thing which you cannot change. Okay, and your secondary focus should be on IPMAT examination, and you should be like little bit chill about the IPMAT preparation. You should not worry at all, and whatever you have learned till now is going to remain with you. No matter there is another examination, board examination is there. Right now you should focus on board examination, and side by side you should be practicing what you have done till now. If you haven't started your preparation till now, then you should be worry about it. Then you can call us on the enrollment assistance button, which will be provided in the link box. Okay, maybe we can help you in some way. We have to look for your profile as well. Okay.
Okay, sir. So the next question which I have received is, what are the subjects that to be taught to them at IPM, which means including DBA as well as MBA? What kind of a subjects are they going to receive there?
Okay, so this is the most kind of the diverse kind of the program right now which is being offered by any institution in India. So you'll get exposure from subjects from arts background to data science as well, and you will be taught the design thinking. You will be taught history. You will be taught the philosophy. You will get the yoga classes. You will get to know how to treat the media. So those 3 years you will be handling. You have to manage so many courses from the diverse backgrounds, right? From arts, from commerce, from mathematics to data sciences. So many programs are there. But after you complete 3 years, then you have to stick to the PGP schedule. And PGP schedule is like it is like already established program. So they have human resource, then they have finance, they have marketing, they have IT consulting, they have so many programs. So PGP, you can go through the website of IIM Indore, or we'll be providing a link also in the comment section, and you can go through that link. You will be finding each and every topic of the IIM Indore, IPM as well as PGP course. Okay.
Okay, sir. So the link will be provided to you in the description box. Another question is, sir, many students are wondering, because they have been provided after doing the first 3 years, they will be provided the degree of BA, Foundation of Management. So they want to know, after the first 3 years, will they be eligible to write the examinations like CAT, UPSC or not? Will they be eligible or not?
So this BA, this graduation, ultimately you will be graduating, okay, and you will be graduating in such a manner that you will be ultimately eligible for anything. You can pursue anything, like you can write any competitive examination, you can write IAS, you can write any examination. There is no this is degree is basically given by the government of India. This IIM is deemed university. It is governed by HRD, so you do not have to worry at all about these questions. Okay, you should focus basically on whether you will be able to get a seat at IIM Indore or not.
Okay. So the last question was definitely not the least. This is the mostly, I would say, this is the most frequent question that have been asked to me. And with 120 days left, roughly close to 120, what are the best books for the IPMAT preparation for this year? And what are we providing to them?
Okay, best books, if you ask, there is no syllabus defined by the testing authorities, and we at IPM Career are very meticulous about preparing the right material for you, because there is material is there in abundance in internet. You can search, you can get so many questions, you can get like so many websites which you can search. But we at IPM Careers have made the material meticulously, especially keeping all type of aspirant in the mind, that if you are in 12th, we would not want you to waste your time to go through the internet and all. So we have clearly categorized all type of student, and we have designed and developed the material in such a way. So for that also you can call the enrollment assistance number, which is being provided in the box. Okay, that will be very helpful. I will recommend you that material cost is like very minimal. You waste this much amount in your chips and in your hangouts. So you can go there, you can call the button, and you can at least subscribe the material, and bare minimum you should download the app where you will get the bare minimum idea.
Okay, okay. So downloading the app is the very important step now.
Yes, yes.
So I think that is all, sir. So
Mhm.
that is the all for the day.
Okay.
We will come up tomorrow with a new video, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
students. I will recommend all of you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please go through the description box and download the IPM Careers app. It will be very helpful in the next 20 days for your IPM preparation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.